Right. So I've welded up the roll cage. I didn't TIG weld it, I MIG welded it because I'm a lot better at MIG welding than TIG welding, so I didn't bother with that. Yeah, it's all done. It's all nice and strong. Everything's all lined up properly. The plates are done on the bottom, ready to be bolted on. I've drilled the back plate underneath. Did the braces on in the boot there on the wheel arch. I don't know if you can see that up in there. I will take a photo of that in a minute anyway. So yeah, so she's getting there. There's not much to do left now. The roll cage finished, so I have to drill a few holes in there so I can get the braces from the wheel arch. So this is all strengthened then. So if there's any downward force, then the whole thing's going to be stressed on the wheel arch there. So yeah, once I've done, as I said, I've done that one. Once I've done this one, back end's all going to be done. We've got the spare wheel well, that needs to be fitted in. We cut it out so you can get in to weld all these bits. You can paint underneath properly then as well. So the battery box has been semi-fiberglassed in. I haven't finished it yet. It's a little bit messy at the moment. So I have to get a little bit more fiberglass and finish off doing all this. The boot floor has all been treated with rust converter, so any little bits of surface rust will be eradicated. Boot's going to be sprayed with a nice black primer just for the base. Then it'll be in the blue colour that the customer wanted. All the sides are going to be painted just to stop. If there's any little bits of fiberglass poking out, that's all going to be sanded back. Yeah, so as you can see up there now, the lip is nice. All this was all replaced and rebuilt, so that's all done. So the next thing to do is do the boot, and she's ready for primer. As you can see, or if you can see, up here, the sunroof has been all redone. I had to cut out the old sunroof because it was fitted underneath, and so we've lined it all up. This is all fully welded now, front, back, sides, and fits perfect. Yeah, so she's nearly there. There's a couple more bits to do inside. This has all been treated as well with the rust converter. The whole thing's been done inside with rust converter, so there's a couple of little bits and bobs need doing. I'm going to strengthen down the doors there, down the back of the panels there. It's been stressed already with 2 bars, but I'd like to have another bar coming down just to brace it all together even better. So next thing we're going to do, after we've done that, we're going to remove the suspension. That's all going to be repainted and rebuilt. We'll do the oils and we'll do all the bearings and bushes. Oh Jesus! The underneath's going to be painted in body Schultz and painted the same colour as the car, which is I think it's a BMW blue. So yeah, it should look gorgeous then. Thanks.